Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to today's video. No matter where you are watching from, India, Bangladesh, or anywhere in the world, I thank you for joining us. Today, we will show you 50 beautiful and modern window grill designs. These designs are perfect for new homes, renovation projects, and anyone searching for fresh ideas. Window grills are not only for safety, they also make your home look clean, stylish, and well designed. A good grill brings the right balance of strength, beauty, and durability. Why this video is helpful? In this video, you will see simple designs, modern geometric patterns, strong security grills, balcony grill ideas, and stylish premium models. By watching the full video, you may find the perfect design for your new home. How to use any design you like. If you see a design that you like, pause the video, take a screenshot, show the screenshot to a grill maker or fabricator in your area. Discuss which material is best: steel, iron, square pipe, or stainless steel. They will guide you on how to make the grill strong, long-lasting, and neat in finishing. Important tips before ordering multiple grills. If you plan to make many grills at once, always ask the fabricator to make one sample piece first. Check the sample carefully. Welding quality, finishing, material thickness, overall strength. If the sample is perfect, then confirm the full order. This will save your time, money, and avoid future problems. Very important, before installation. Before fitting the grill into the wall, please make sure the grill is fully painted with good quality anti-rust paint. If you install the grill without painting, cement, sand, and water will stick to the metal and may cause rust or permanent stains. Later, cleaning becomes very difficult, and the grill may lose strength. Painting before installation keeps the grill clean, rust-free, and long-lasting. Final message. We hope today's 50 designs help you choose the right style for your dream home. If you find a design you like, save it and talk to a professional fabricator. If this video is helpful, please like the video, comment your favorite design, and subscribe for more design ideas. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay well, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.